Hello, Algebra 2 people. Today we're going to talk about the discriminant. This is our last topic for Chapter 8, and then after that we will do a review and then the test. And then we'll move on to other topics for the remainder of the year. So the discriminant is the b squared minus 4ac part found in the quadratic formula. And the first thing we're going to do is figure out how to work with this. So to find the value, or we're supposed to find the value of the discriminant for each quadratic equation. And our equation is 6p squared minus 2p minus 3. I figure out what a, b, and c are. A is 6, b is negative 2. Recall that you always take the sign that's in front of the number. So signs always go with numbers behind them. C is negative 3. So I'm going to take these three numbers and plug them into the b squared minus 4ac. B was negative 2, so I'm doing negative 2 squared, minus 4 times a was 6, and c was negative 3. Negative 2 squared is 4. Negative times the negative over here, this should be a plus something. Turns out to be 72. 72 plus 4 is 76, and that's our answer. Here's one for you to do.